Hi there, to save battery on your Samsung Galaxy A35, first thing we can do is open phone settings and here scroll a bit till we see display tab. Now, firstly, take a look at this upper panel. Here you should see two modes, light and dark. So I suggest you to switch from the light mode to the dark mode, and now your screen will be black and text will be white. First of all, it is more comfortable for eyes, especially during evenings and nights, and also this will help reduce battery consumption throughout the day. And additionally, I suggest you to enable adaptive brightness. With adaptive brightness of your display will adjust depending on the lighting around you. So sometimes the screen will get darker, and this will help to reduce battery consumption. The next thing we can do to solve this problem is to go in this battery tab and from here enable power saving mode by tapping on the switcher. Let me show you again. So tap on the switcher, it will light up blue like that. And here in the status bar you would see this battery icon, meaning that the power saving mode is enabled now. And with power saving you get battery life up to 1 day, 14 hours, which is really perfect. But background network usage syncing and location checking may be limited and motion smoothness will be changed to standard. And also it will disable always on display. Now let's go to the next thing we can do is to disable such features as Bluetooth, hotspot and location when you don't need them, because it will help us to further reduce energy consumption. Firstly, let's disable Bluetooth and hotspot. For that, I'm gonna choose Connections tab, and here we can already see Bluetooth. So let's tap on this switcher and disable it. And now we just turned off Bluetooth. Now we can scroll a bit more and go in mobile hotspot, and from here make sure that the switcher is gray so mobile hotspot is simply disabled. And the last thing we can do is to disable location. For that, let's use this search bar now and just manually enter location. And we can already see the switcher for location, so you can simply disable it by tapping on the switcher. And that's it for today. I hope those advices helped, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!